channel. So this is Joe and D. So D, have you looked today's question? How is it? Have you read it?
Yeah, I have read that question.
Okay. So yeah, let me read this question for all, for everyone. So we are given here two strings, okay? And what we have to do in this question is we have to check whether the string 2 can be a subsequence of string 1 after applying a one operation. Okay, and what is that operation? That operation is basically you can increment any character from the string 1 cyclically to the next character only once. Okay, any you can choose like to increment it or not increment it. So this is what it is written in the question. First of all, do you know what is the subsequence? What is subsequence?
Yeah, I have read about it. It is like we can delete some characters from the string and without changing its sequence.
Okay, so let's actually look what is subsequence. Okay, so if let's say there is a string. Okay, yeah, so if there is a string, suppose A, B, C. Okay, so what is the definition of subsequence? Like in the original string, if you can delete some characters of the string and you maintain the order of the string, then that
Yeah,
is
yeah.
substring. That modified string is substring of, sorry, subsequence of that given string. So the possible subsequences of this string would be like A. Okay, so A is a subsequence. Okay, uh, B is also a subsequence. Okay, if we take A, C, this is also a subsequence because like we have deleted B, D, and E from it and kept A and C, and we have not touched the order of that string. And one more can be A and E. Okay, so this is also
Hmm.
subsequence, but A, D, and C is not a subsequence as the order is not maintained. You can see. Okay,
Yeah,
this is the concept of basically what is a subsequence. Uh, let's get back to the question. Okay, so hope my screen is visible. Yeah.
yeah,
So
yeah. It's
what are you thinking about this question? Like, what should be the approach?
we can. I think that mm, I can't. Or see, we can check the characters from string one and match with string two's character.
Okay, so let me let gets into question again. We have to make this string a subsequence of this string. Okay, and what is the condition? We can do that operation like cyclically increment. That is I will explain what is cyclically increment. That if like you are given A, if you increment it cyclically,
Hmm.
so it will become B. Okay, by 1. Okay, and if you increment Z cyclically, it will become A. Okay, so similar
Okay.
to B will become C and C will become D. Okay, so basically moving to the next character. So my approach about
Hmm.
this question is like, see, first what we will do is, let's suppose we want like A to in to be in this string. Okay, if we want a subsequence,
Hmm.
this whole string as subsequence, first we want like A to be in this string. So what we will do, we will see traverse the string 1 and we will check that can we have an A in this string without performing that operation or with performing that operation. Okay, so like we will traverse. So we got the A at the first index only, so we got it without
Okay.
performing any operation, we will get it. Okay, next what we can do
Hmm.
is next what we have to do is we have to find D. Okay, so we will see
Hmm.
now can we make B equal to D. Okay, by performing that operation. Okay, so if we increment B, it will become at most C, so it will not become
See.
it can't become D.
Okay.
This is not possible. So what we'll do, we'll move to the next character. So c, if we increment c, yes, it is becoming d. So yeah, we will return it. Okay, so we have to just only check two conditions. Is the current character equal to the target character? Okay, which we got in this condition, or can the current character be made equal to uh, the required character, which is like d, but we can't make, but yeah, we can make c. So
Mm-hmm.
we got the, and now at the end, if the whole string can be as a subsequence in the string one, yes, we will return true. If not, we will return false. So actually, let's implement it. Okay, so I will take this dummy string for the indices.
By the way, Joe, we can implement it using two for loops.
Yeah, yeah, that would be also an approach, I guess, but it will not work because it will be n square and we will get TLE.
Okay,
Okay,
yeah, huh.
yes. So now I am traversing the string one. Okay, str1 dot length length express. Okay, and we will take a pointer j, which will be pointing to string 2. Okay, so j is pointing to string 2. Likewise, now it will basically specify what is the target variable, current target. So first of all, in
Okay.
this example, a will be the pointing, like j will be pointing to a. Okay, yeah, and we are
Hmm.
traversing obviously this string. So in the for loop. Okay, so every time in the for loop, what we'll check, if str1 dot char at I is equal to str2 dot char at j. If this is like in what happened in this case, a is equal to a,
A is equal
so
to
we
A.
got
Huh.
the a. So now we will, what we'll do, we'll move to the next character. But there is also one possible case that uh, if we can increment this character and make it equal to the required character, increment by only one.
Okay.
So for that, what we'll do, x dot char at now we want that index, so it will be str1 dot char minus a, okay, plus 1 modulo 26. We are doing modulo 26 as it should be
To make
cyclic.
it cyclic, yeah.
Yes, 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 yes. So I'm doing as well, and basically uh, this will check in this index what is the character. Okay, so like if I
Hmm.
take an example here, so if like we are on c, so c minus a would be like c index is 2 and minus a, it will come, we will get 2 from here. Okay, and 2 plus 1, what it is
3.
uh, yeah, it is 3, and 3 modulo
So it
26
will
is
point to
3. Yeah,
D.
it will point to d in this, and yes, we will get the d.
X string, huh?
Yeah, just let me check the brackets. Yeah, it's fine. So what we'll do, yeah, this should be equal to str2 dot char at j. Okay, so now if
Hmm.
we, one of the thing happen, we will increment, like if it was pointing in a and we got the a in the string, we will increment to d. Okay, yeah,
D.
and if it doesn't happen, okay, if it doesn't happen, we'll do nothing, as if which happened in the case of b, we did nothing.
Huh.
Okay, at the last, what we'll check, if uh, like return, if j is equal to uh, str2 dot length, like this will like if it is equal, it will return true. If it is not equal, it will return false. So basically it will check that
Okay, huh.
whether the string,
All
the
the
complete string
characters of
has,
string
yeah,
2 is completed or not.
yeah, it is included in the string one as a subsequence or not, by performing specific modification. But there is something error in this, I guess, uh, that that will be like if the this ad is completed before traversing the whole string, we will get a index out of bound error. So what we will keep here is, before checking this, like the j should be uh, less than str2 dot lengt.
So I think what we can do, we can check the condition after incrementing j.
Yeah, we can do that also, but yeah, that would be also good. I'm not doing that. Like, I guess this will
Okay,
also work. We will try that if this doesn't works.
okay,
Okay, so let's try to run it. Hope so it works. Yeah, it's working. Let's submit it.
okay.
Yeah, it's beating.
So
Okay, yeah,
it was
so
nice question by the way.
yeah, it's actually nice question, because you have to think of subsequence in it. And like, when I read this question first time, I also got confused, like, it can be applied. DP is required to solve this question, but I don't think so it's required, because you don't have to find the minimum thing here. Like, you don't need to optimize. I have to just
Mhm.
tell that is it possible or not. Yeah. Okay, then thank you all for watching. Okay, thank you, D. Okay, let's end this.